Hello, and welcome to Magic Feather Production. Nice day in December. In winter. Here it's like 70, 66 degrees in the evening. How not climate changey is that? I found a old rusty meat cleaver blade, and I thought, well, why not make a nifty sheath for it out of furry leather. What it was missing was a handle, and I thought, well, I don't want to go all the way to, Home Depot and get some fancy wood. So I thought of the next best thing: plastic. Let me show you what it's all about. The triangle that has the recycling symbol on it, in the middle it says 2, and sometimes it will say the acronym HDPE, standing for high density polyethylene. That's the stuff you want to find and recycle by reusing. So this isn't full tang. The blade goes, the end goes about right here. So what I had to do was I had to get some rod, and I had to make a backbone for the blade. It goes all the way down. And all I had to do was find some plastic. But why did I make more? Why did I fix it? For reasons like this. Let's see. Cut off the limbs here. Little tiny limbs. Pretty easy. Voila. It's still pretty sharp. In fact, I don't see any folding whatsoever. And I've been throwing this at targets for, I don't know, a day. Yeah, it looks really cruddy. But when you heat plastic in the oven, yeah, it's gonna look melty. But with a rasp and a little elbow grease, it can come out looking like this. A little better, don't you think? After the belt sander, looks very nice and shiny. This is how you do it. Now, we'll put it for 350, 1 hour. Right-ho, let's chop something up.
Another one. Another one.
It looks like Pac-Man. Waka 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 waka. Well, that's it for today. Thanks and all. See you later.